Risk assessment is the most critical process in your AI management system. Get it wrong, and everything downstream fails. In this episode, I'll walk you through a complete AI risk assessment, step by step, using both ISO 42001 and the NIST AI Risk Management Framework. We're combining two frameworks. ISO 42001 uses Clause 6.1 for risk assessment within the AIMS. It follows the Identify, Analyze, Evaluate, Treat cycle. NIST AI RMF uses four functions: govern, map, measure, manage. ISO focuses on organizational risk. NIST focuses on AI-specific technical risk. Together, they give you complete coverage. The goal is the same: understand and mitigate AI risks before they become incidents. Step 1. Identify. List every AI risk: bias, data poisoning, model drift, privacy violations, adversarial attacks, hallucinations, lack of explainability. Use Annex C's 11 AI-specific risk sources as your checklist. Step 2. Analyze. Determine the likelihood and impact of each risk. Consider both the probability of occurrence and the severity of consequences. Step 3. Evaluate. Prioritize risks against your risk criteria. Which risks are acceptable? Which need immediate treatment? Step 4. Treat. Choose your response. Avoid the risk, mitigate it with controls, transfer it through insurance, or accept it with justification. AI systems have unique risks that traditional risk frameworks miss. Bias and fairness. Your model discriminates against protected groups. Data quality. Garbage in, garbage out, but now at scale. Explainability. You can't explain why the model made a decision. Model drift. Performance degrades over time as data distributions change. And adversarial attacks. Bad actors manipulate inputs to fool your model. These are the risks that Annex C specifically addresses. Here's a practical risk matrix. Plot likelihood on one axis and impact on the other. Critical risks in the top right require immediate controls. High risks need treatment plans. Medium risks should be monitored, and low risks can be accepted with documentation. For each AI system, map every identified risk onto this matrix. The position determines your treatment priority and the urgency of implementing controls from Annex A. That's AI risk assessment done right. Remember, identify, analyze, evaluate, treat. Use Annex C as your risk checklist and Annex A controls as your treatment toolkit. Subscribe to Secure AI Academy for the complete AI governance series.